Okay, so now we need to add an appointment. I just have it on the default day, the day in which we are recording this video. So hopefully you have gone on the day that you are wanting to be at. If you do go ahead and choose another day, it will automatically make the appointment for the date that is showing on the banner above. And then you simply click add an appointment and you will get this pop up. Okay, so I'm just going to add it in as a testing patient. Okay, you will get a drop down menu of the start times that are available for that day. So let's say our patient wants a 12:30 start time. You can choose your visit types. So I'm just going to check, okay, any one of these. It will set a default length, but if you want to change the length, all you simply do is do it with the hour first, the minutes next. That would be 1 hour. Okay, this would be 45 minutes, and you can manually change that. And if you just want to leave it at the default, that is perfectly fine as well. All right, you will choose your provider. So I'm just going to choose Dr. Apple for this one. And you do need to choose a room. You cannot double book a room, even if you can double book a practitioner, because you cannot have 2 patients in a room. I'm just going to go with the first on the list, knowing I have no appointments for the day. Okay, these fields are all mandatory. The notes are optional. Okay, so the notes are just if you want to include a note that will pop up later or be visualized later, you can certainly choose to do so. I'm not going to do so for the time being because I'm just looking to make an appointment. If you decide we're not making this appointment, all you would do is exit the appointments, but in this case, I'm going to add the appointment. And because it does run a rather large macro, just give it a second, and it will add the appointment to our calendar. Okay, and now you can see that we have added, and that's the color we have indicated, right, in our setup panel. And again, you can see I have just set for the patient, the duration, the visitor type, and the provider. But if you wanted notes and other things to appear, you would have followed our instruction panel directions.